How to play YouTube videos on TikTok Live. So if you want to play YouTube videos on your TikTok Live, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. So just simply tap on TikTok and launch your TikTok application at first and go with the bottom plus which has the post option. Now once you're here, if you swipe right, then you will have live option, right? But in my case, in my region, it's not available, or I don't have the following criteria to go live. So if you have the live option, you can simply tap on live. And once you tap on live, on the bottom right, you will have an option of mobile gaming. So you need to tap on mobile gaming before starting your live. So tap on mobile gaming and then tap on go live button, which will be a red button on the middle of your screen. Just simply tap on go live. And after that, you'll be able to stream YouTube. Once you tap on go live, you can go back, remove your TikTok application, or just keep it in the background and open up your YouTube and start streaming. That's how you play YouTube videos on TikTok Live. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.